Hi and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. Happy Fansells Friday to you all. So let's have a look at what we've got today. I think that's the thinner one. Let's start with the thinner one. I don't know what's in these until I get in them, and then I'll be reminded and I'll be like, oh it was that. Okay, let's have a look. What have we got? First things first, we have, now this, if I remember rightly, let me just check my little stash down here. This was a painting. Oh, it's slightly different. Okay, so this is a painting, slightly different colouring on the actual canvas by the looks of it. But this is a painting that I ordered and it actually came with the wrong diamonds. It came with diamonds for a painting that's labelled V378 rather than B378. So it does look like the colouring on the canvas is slightly different. However, it is the same image. And the colouring, you know, I'm fine with the colouring of it. But what's good is the numbers match. So this is B378. So Fansells have put it right. I say I did tell them that I'd mention it to them. And they did say that they would look into it. And they have. And they put it right. So I do really like this image. So I am glad that it's been done. But this is a lot more like the colours we're supposed to have. So it does have 20 colours, including 310, which is that one. But anyway, I've seen worse 310s. And then we have got, of course, the skin colour. And then we've got some browns and some greens, some more of a sort of skin-ish colour tone. And then we've got some greens and blues for that background, which is going to look really nice. Some reds. We've got a nice pop of turquoise. And then some other beauty colours. But yay! It's the right colours for the painting. I am happy. Because say, I do like the way that this picture looks. And it is nice to have the diamonds be right. We try and get them in, roughly. That'll do. We do get a standard toolkit with this. And the canvas, down as a 30 by 30. But the actual canvas size is 24.5 by 25. So you do lose a bit for that border. But we have the right diamonds. Are they actually the same colours on the side? I'm just wondering, because this one does look slightly different. The symbols look the same. It is, yeah, it's the same colours. So they do have the same numbers and stuff down the side. It must just be the way it's printed. The symbols are all the same. The colours are all detailed the same. It's just printed a little differently. But we have the diamonds to match. So first things first, Happy Bunny. Oh, we do have a rogue grey one though. Let's get rid of that. Okay, let's have a look at number 2. I do like it when things are put right. Though I do have an extra canvas now, so maybe I'll need to use my spares on the other one. Okay, so this one is, this one is a full diamond. It's a full, if I remember rightly, it's a round. Though it might not be. But, it's a round. How sweet is he? So this is just a little gnome with a peace symbol saying let it be. It has 17 colours. And it is down as a 30 by 40. And it's actually 24 by 34. So we do have a bigger border of 3 centimetres all the way around. We do get a toolkit, don't wax pen. Let's have a look at the colours. We do have DMC, we do have 310, though not a lot. And we do have 3865, which is the background. So there's a fair amount of that, but there does look to be some nice, bright, funky colours in there, which is good. And just to confirm, this one has VVV70, which is the same code as at the top of the painting. Oh, there's a lot of 3865. Okay, so we've got some brown and yellow. That's all the 310. It's always good. Quite a bit of green, as you'd expect. It's my little Irish nose. Some blue and some red by the looks of it. But it doesn't tell me the actual colour on there. 891. Some more greens. Beige, purple, green, yellow, and 3 bags of white. So that'll definitely keep you busy with the white. And they actually folded back into diamond shape very easily. I'll fight with putting them in the packet later though. Try and save you guys some of the noise. But I thought he was quite sweet. I like his little psychedelic clover. Though, yeah, it is a clover. It's a 3-leaf clover though, not a 4-leaf. But that's fine. I like paintings that are a bit of fun. Okay, and then last, but by no means least, there will be more. This is the big one for today. Which one was this one? Ooh, rolled up differently. Seems to be rolled up. It is poured glue. Oh, and it does come, and it is square. So this is a square one. It does come with what looks like a Huracan toolkit. So it comes with, well, their older toolkit. It comes with some metal tweezers. Comes with what looks like a templacer, a boat, wax, pen with a grip, and a 3 or a 4 placer on the end. Looks like a 4. So it comes with a complete toolkit. All the diamonds are in bags. So I'll try and show them you this way, just because otherwise this is going to make an awful mess if I get all these colours out. So that's the diamonds. And then it is wrapped very similar to a Huracan. However, Huracan are not poured glue. So similar but not similar. See if I can get in this. I'm wondering if my battery's going to die on my camera as well. Try and get this tape off. So this is a bigger one. This is a 40 by 50. See, look, it's labelled up very similar as well. Whoa, 45 colours. 45 colours in this one. Oh, very nice. I do like the fact that this is poured glue, but still big. I'm trying to see if you can make that out, but I just thought that scene was gorgeous with the mountains. Look at those clouds. The clouds are popping before you put any diamonds on them. Even the reflections of the boats and stuff are. Okay, how wide is this? So it is actually 49 by 39. So you do actually, okay, let's try that again. So you do only actually lose a centimetre around the edge, and that could have just been them rounding it up, really, for sizing. So, yeah, it's as though they're using Huracan, but with poured glue. Because this symbol list and stuff is extremely similar to the way that they do theirs. But it has the code, DMC number, and the quantity. Codes all look really, really clear. They look really, really nice, actually. That looks like it's going to be a fun one to do. Yeah, and it's pretty much a true 40 by 50. So good if you want a lot of colours. As say, it is a square. They look good diamonds from what I can see. Though, of course, you never, ever truly know until you start placing them. But we've got some nice bright oranges and... not sure if you can see, but there's a nice bright orange, nice bright blue in there. which is 827. Quite a few nice bright colours mixed in with, of course, the more muted colours, but that is a really, really nice picture. I love the way that you can see sort of the lake or the river or whatever it is. I'm not quite sure where it is. So anyway, that is today's selection. We have the nice big scenery on the lake. We have our funky gnome, and we have a fixed mascara canvas, which I'm very happy with. I say, I knew they would put it right. I didn't realise they were putting it right on this order. So it's very good to have that painting now in full working order. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed these items. I will pop a link in the description down below for each item, in case it is something that you're interested in. Thank you again to Fansells for sending me these, and thank you to you guys for watching. I'll speak to you all again soon.